If CapCut is failing to download or install on your PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is especially helpful if the installer gets stuck, won't open, or keeps showing an error message on Windows. We'll go through the safest step-by-step methods, and by the end, you should be able to download and install CapCut without the error getting in your way. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. First, try running the CapCut installer as an administrator. To do that, find the installer file on your computer, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to make changes to your system, and in many cases, that alone can fix the download or setup error. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes and let it continue. Next, if the problem still appears, temporarily disable your antivirus software. Sometimes Windows Defender or another security program can mistakenly block the CapCut installer and treat it like a threat, even when it's safe. Open your antivirus settings, pause protection briefly, and then try the installation again. Just remember, this should only be temporary. Once CapCut is installed, turn your antivirus back on right away so your PC stays protected. Now, if that still doesn't work, the next step is to download a fresh copy of the installer. Delete the old file first because it may be incomplete, corrupted, or outdated. Then go directly to the official CapCut for Windows page and download the latest version from there. Using the official source is important because it helps avoid broken installers and ensures you're getting the newest version available. After the fresh download finishes, open the new installer and run it again as administrator if needed. In many cases, combining these steps solves the issue completely. So just to recap, run the installer as administrator, temporarily disable antivirus if it's blocking the setup, and download a fresh copy from the official CapCut website. These three fixes cover the most common reasons for CapCut download errors on PC. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more CapCut or Windows troubleshooting tips.